Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'll be making this beautiful boat basket with coconut leaves, and you can use it to keep your Bhagwan ji inside it, or you can use it as a decorative tray for giving sagun, the wedding gifts. But before moving into the video, please consider subscribing and also turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my videos. Now for this boat basket, we need this kind of two parts from the coconut leaves branch. Here I have taken 6 leaves each side of both of the branch. Now I'm gonna weave it, so first take 2 leaves and make a loop. And also keep in mind, while you are twisting the leaves, all the leaves will follow the same direction. Now after weaving, you have to hold the stem vertically straight and then pull them one by one so that it will be tight and there will be no gap. Now staple it so that it will not get displaced. After making how I am showing, do the same with the other part. So here both these two parts will come close and both the sides we will weave again, and the pattern will be same as we did before. See how I am doing. After doing it, do the adjustment so that there will be no gap, and after that you have to hold the waving part slightly upward and then pull all the leaves again so that it will create a curve like structure. Do the same with the other side too. Here, to weave this part, my right side of the leaves will go back side and left side of leaves will come to the front. Or it can be vice versa according to which side you are holding of the boat. In this process, make sure that at the last all the leaves will go outside of the basket. But if your leaves are not coming outside, that means you must have missed a hole at the end. Then check it and do it again. So here you can see all my leaves have come to the outside. Now I am taking help of two bottles to hold my basket, but you can use your legs because that will be more comfortable. So now I am making like a French bread with these end parts. So it's done, do the other side too. So your boat basket is ready. You can leave it like this or you can decorate it with coconut leaves flower. And this flower making tutorial is already available in my channel. So if you want, you can check out. So your boat basket is finally done and you can use it wherever you want. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.